look no further. The amazing new pet eagles have arrived in the diamond shop. Yeah. Uh. This is so hard. Oh, no, wait, that's where I barely use you. Okay. Next. This fancy and fantastic armor set comes with 5 pieces now available in the diamond shop. Have you seen the spring eggs hidden in the land of drama? Yep. Look at them to learn some facts there. Whoa! This is cool. I think. If you love games, a new thorough creator and then for you. Head to the diamond shop and pick yours up today. Draft has been trying for quite some time. But have you heard the rumor they will return? They will soon be returning. Oh, but I already have them. Never make them return. Yeah. Wow. Remember the April Fool's party? Do you know that Jam now has 20 den stops available? That means you can have even more fun. Oh my gosh. Yes! Yes! Nobody really cares about that. Wait, I want to see if I can actually got more den slots. Oh my god. Yes! Okay, now let's go back to the diamond shop. And again. Oh yes, I can fight! Oh my god, girl. So anyway, YouTube, that wraps up the video. This is really cool though. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is so awesome. Bye, YouTube.